Welcome to another day in paradise and welcome to Fuerteventura, everybody. We are in Spain, we are in the north of the island, staying in La Oliva right now. We are going to explore the surroundings today, going to take you along as we walk over the moon and see what's worth visiting and maybe what's not. Let's go.
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my head. Trying to catch me out and I come home. Trying to catch me out and I come home. Trying to catch me out and I come home. When it rains, it pours. Water's up to my chin. Facing on a sleepless night. Where you find me?
The castle is quite small and it is under construction right now, so we are not going to visit that. But over here there's a whale skeleton and we're going to check that out. There are supposed to be 3 or 4, I'm not quite sure, of those throughout the whole island. It was quite a short ride here because the island from north to south will only take us like 1 hour and a half to drive. So to here it was just like 10-15 minutes, and then we are going to try to check out the coast and those cliffs over there. Let's go. From El Castillo all the way back there, we drove to the beach El Arribe de la Cueva or something like that, and there we left the car, which is like back there, and then there's this cool path which leads alongside the cliffs, and I can really recommend to walk that and have a stop here and there to just watch the waves, hear the waves and enjoy this crazy landscape, which is like, yeah, it's like being on the moon, I guess. Let's ride the drone even though it's quite windy. Let's go! Three and a half kilometers away from El Cotillo you will reach another beach which is totally empty, really nice. You can get there by a staircase which looks a little sketchy, but it's alright I guess, and it's totally empty. We are going to head back to the car and then we drive further east and see what's up there. Let's go. After driving through El Cotillo, which is a cute little coastal town which we will visit for another video for sure, you will arrive at El Faro, the lighthouse, and we have a short stop over here and then heading towards the other side of the coast, going downwards, and then we have to swap cars because yesterday we picked up a car and there are no rental cars available right now, so we got like a you can take that now car and we have to switch later, and that's what we are going to do today, and then head further on with a different car and hopefully take that for the rest of the trip. Fuerteventura is a volcanic island, so it's an obvious choice to climb a volcano. Back there we parked at the street and then you can walk up. We were told to take the left road because that will lead alongside this mountain, and then it's easier to take the path over to the actual volcano. Vámonos! To the next stop, which are the two windmills of Villaverde on top of the volcano. It was way too windy to tell you anything, so I'm going to do that now. You can walk around the whole crater. There also is a platform from which you can look inside, but you can do that from the rest of the crater as well. And then there is an easy pass to the other big hill, and then it's just like a 15-minute ride over here in Villaverde where these beautiful windmills are. Let's have a look. Yesterday we were caught in the rain and decided to just drive back to the accommodation, which I will show you in one of the next videos. And then after all those hikes we just fell asleep. And now we are on the next adventure, which I will show you in the next video. It's about popcorn, it's about towns, it's about dunes. Make sure to hit subscribe to not miss out on it. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, enjoy life, have a good one. Hasta luego.